Now I will show you how to write program for file handling and how to execute it and how to check the contents. I am Dr. Sangram Patil explaining the file handling program. Theory about this already explained in a previous video, and this is I am explaining now program. Already programming is written. So this is the variable which we are creating to handle the file, because directly accessing data from file present on a hard disk in C programming is not possible. So we have to create one pointer variable, and this pointer variable we have to connect to the file. Now here I have connected this to the file. That file is number.dat, and I am opening this file into the write mode. I have taken the value of number from a keyboard. Now this number I want to store into the file. To store into the file, as I have explained in the previous program, we use fprintf statement to store a data. I want to store a data into the number.dat file. Now this dat file is connected to the pointer variable fp, file pointer variable fp. So I am mentioning here fp. Then I want to store one number. So number is stored, and then whose value I want to save. That is, I want to save only number. Okay, and then it shows you number is saved, file is closed. After every operation we have to close the file, and then get ch. I am using get ch and sailor str, but I have not used conio.h because I am saving this program as a .c. Now compile the program and run the program. Input the number. If I input 4567, if I press enter key, then it gives the number is saved. Now I want to check whether number is saved into the file or not. To check whether number is saved into the file or not, press F3 key. This F3 is open the file, or you can click on file and open. Check it. This is short form F3. Open the file and give here directly file name number.dat. Don't type anything, just type number.dat, the file name of the file, and click on OK. Check here. So 4567 number is saved into the file. Okay, close this file, Alt F3. If I execute one more time, Alt F3, Alt F9, Control F9. If I say 1122, and if I press enter key, it gives you number is saved into the file. Press any key, it will come into the program. To check the file, the contents are saved, press F3 and give here number.dat. Check here 1122. Now previous number which we have saved 4567, that is deleted, and it is saving new number 1122, because close this file, because we are opening file into the write mode. Okay, now to read a data from a file, I will start with a new program now. Okay, new program has include stdio.h void main curly bracket, close curly bracket, declare one variable file star fp, integer n, clr, then fp equal to f open. Now the file is number.dat, and now I want to open file into the read mode, because I want to read a data which I have saved 1122. Okay, then we can use fscanf. Then I want to read data from file fp. I want to read one number, and that number I want to read into the n, and then I am showing the number now. Number equal to %d n get ch f close fp. Now save this file f2.c. I have saved, and now if I run this program, Alt F9, 4 errors, very good. Okay, stdio.h, Alt F9, save the program, Control F9, check here. The number is 1122, the number which we have saved previously. Now if you check this file f3 number.dat, this is 1122. Now if I make the changes into this like 4324, then I am using saving the file, save the file 4324, alter F3. Now if I run this program, read the program, alter F9, control F9, check this 4324. So whatever data we save into the file, that data gets taken into this file f2.c. Whatever data you save directly through the program, so as it is here I have saved using f1.c, or we can read the data from f2.c. Now this is how we store a single number. Now I will modify this program and then I will try to store now two numbers, num1. Now here in previous program we have used variable n, here we have used number. It doesn't matter because this program is different and that program is different. Okay, so variable doesn't matter, logic matters. Okay, so now I want to read two numbers, num1 and num2. So percentage d num1 comma num2. Now I want to save a data into the file, so I have given percentage d num1 comma num2. Okay, so now I am saving two numbers. I am saving two numbers into the file, and then I will try to read two numbers from a file like n1 comma n2. So percentage d n1 comma n2. Sorry, I am giving here numbers are percentage d n1 comma n2. Okay, so this file 1 f1.c, it saves two numbers, it reads two values from a keyboard, number 1, number 2, and it saves two numbers into the file. Now if you open this f2.c, how to open it? Just click f6. So close this, alter f3, f6. You can switch between the programs using f6. Okay, so here I am using read the two numbers, first number in n1, second number is n2, variable doesn't matter, we are mentioning read two numbers, and then I am displaying two numbers. Now if you check this f1.c, if I run the program, alter f9, control f9, if I input first number as 1 2 3 4, and if we input second number as 5 6 7 8, okay, if I press enter key, it indicates number saved in a file. Okay, so actually it should be number saved into the file, no problem, forget it. Then if I open this program, second program, if I run this program now, alter F9, it should read 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8, what these numbers, and if I run this, it will show you wrong numbers. Check here. Okay, previously it was working perfectly, but now it is not working perfectly. Check one more time, alter F9, control F9, if I input 11, enter 22. Okay, so number saved in a file. Now if I open this F2 and if I run this, alter F9, control F9, here it checks 1122 but 12083. Okay, it is giving wrong answers. Now check why it is giving wrong answers. Now if I open this file number.dat, check here, numbers are present 1122, but my dear students, we know that we have inputted number 1122. Now if I give here number as suppose, okay, and I ask you to read this number, everybody who is watching this video will read this number as 34,567. But if I said no, this is wrong, then I said here if this number is like this 34,567, or number is like this, or number is like this is in my mind. Okay, but if I return this continuously, if I write this like this, everybody in the world can read this number as 34567, 34,567. Okay. Same problem is happening with computer. First program saves this number as 11 number, then 22 numbers. The first program f1.c. But when it goes to the second program f2.c, it will read first number, and 1122 is valid number. So it reads 1122. If we have saved this number like this, suppose 11 on first line and 22 on second line, and if we try to read a data, then f2 program will read 11 as the first number and 22 as second number, because there is a differentiation. 11 is present on first line, 22 is present on second line. But if it is present like this, everybody can read this as the 1122. Though we have considered 11 and 22 as separate two numbers, but when it comes in a file, it will show as 1122. And the second program, f2 program, it is reading its first number as 1122, that is the first number n1, and second number is not present, so it gives you the garbage value. So to avoid this, what we have to do here is, in f1, whenever you try to save the value in C programming, you have to save each and every value on a different line, and the method which is used to store the data, same method we have to use to read the data. So this indicates go to the next line, then store one number, then go to the next line, and then store next number. Now first of all, check this program, run this program. Alt F9, Control F9, 1 2 3, enter, 5 6 6 7 8, enter. Number saved into the file. Okay, Control KH. Now I will open second program, and now I will run this program. Alt F9, Control F9. Check this, 1 2 3 6 7 8. Now it is working perfectly. Now if you open this file number.dat, check here, go to the next line, store 1 2 3 number, go to the next line, save 6 7 8. So in C programming, whenever you want to store multiple values into the file, each and every value you have to save into the different file compulsory. Now here we have written two separate programs. One is to store data into the file, and second is to read data from a file. Same program we can combine into the single program, not necessary to write two programs. So that I will show here. Okay, so I am now using same variable num1 and num2. Okay, then everything is same program. Okay, first of all, open file into the write mode, then write data into the file, then close the file, then open file into the read mode, open file into the read mode, read the data from a file and display data in a single file. Okay, I will save this as a f3.c. Alt F9, two errors. Okay, why it is giving error? Okay, we have removed number1, number2, num1, num2, so we have to give here num1, num2. Alt F9, Control F9, input first number 2 3 4 7. Numbers saved in a file, numbers are 2 3 4 6 7 8. Now this everything we have done in a single file. Now just remember that here if I give here now number1.dat, check, this program will generate error. Okay, okay, it is working. Okay, we will give it as, you will get it like this. Number 4, read the data as number 3, number 4, number 3, number 4, and then I will give data num.dat. Save the program, Alt F9, Control F9. First number is 1 2 3, second number is 4 5 6. Check here. Okay, because here this file is not present. It is reading wrong data. So try these two programs. Now this is about numbers, how to store structure and how to read structure, that we will discuss in a next program. Thank you very much.